everyone, welcome back to my channel Knowledge with AL. In this video, I'm going to show and tell you 26 letters in English alphabet. Now, let's see the sounds of the letters. Now, ants on an apple, A is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, B is the sound of B. Caterpillar crawling, K is the sound of C. Dolls are dancing, D is the sound of D. Eggs in the eggshell, A is the sound of E. Fireflies are flying, is the sound of F. Girls are giggling, G is the sound of G. Helicopter hovering, H is the sound of H. Ink in the ink pot, E is the sound of I. Jumbos are jumping, J is the sound of J. Kangaroos are kicking, K is the sound of K. Lions licking lollipop, L is the sound of L. Monkeys munching mangoes, is the sound of M. Nan is nearing 90, is the sound of N. Old orange octopus, O is the sound of O. Popcorns are popping, P is the sound of P. Quilt in the quilt says quack is the sound of Q. Robots are raising, is the sound of R. Snakes are slithering, is the sound of S. Tigers on the tiptoes, is the sound of T. Up goes the umbrella, is the sound of U. Vans in the volcanoes, is the sound of V. Water in the watermelon, water in the watermelon, is the sound of W. Fox in the boxes, is the sound of X. Yo-yo in the yellow says, yeah, is the sound of Y. Zebra goes to zoo, says Z is the sound of Z. Children, enjoyed? Yes. Now, everyone, please subscribe my channel, like, share. Everyone, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening.